Bulbthings works by creating relationships between different entities like assets, locations, bookings, and so on. If we take an asset profile and we go to the Actions button, under the Assignment tab, we can add a parent asset, child asset, or we can assign the asset to a location, to a person, to a third party like a supplier, and so on and so forth. For this instance, let's say we want to add this Apple MacBook to a person. We will hit that button and then select the individual. We can increase the quantity if we are dealing with stock. What we can also do is add an end date if we want to assign this asset only for a limited time. If not, we can just hit the Create button, and now we can see that on the person profile, our MacBook has been added. If we go back to the asset profile, we can see that the person has been added here. And then if we go to the People tab, we can see not just the currently active relationships, but also historical relationships. Now sometimes we might want to add multiple assets at the same time to a location, sometimes even thousands. So this method is not really feasible. To do so, we go to the list view of assets. And what we want to do is select multiple assets and assign them to a location at the same time. Now let's say we want to add IT equipment. We can just filter for IT equipment here. And then this should give us a list of all the IT equipment that is available in our database. So now let's say we want to assign this printer, this laptop, and another printer and even a scanner. And we want to assign these to a specific location. We go to the Actions button, Relationships, Assignment, and then Assign to Location. And let's say we want to assign it to the Stratford site building A, let's say the conference room. So now all of these individual assets have been assigned to the conference room. Just hit Create, and you can now visualize it here, and it's as easy as that. As always, there are many other ways to achieve the same thing in Bulbthings, accommodating for different workflows and preferences. If you want to learn more, just reach out and we'll do our best to help. Thanks for watching and happy managing.